Welcome to Technalogia, where the future unfolds before your eyes. Today, we reveal the world's first foldable laptop, the Huawei MateBook Fold Ultimate. Inside the box lies more than just a laptop. It's innovation packed in elegance. Let's unbox and see what Huawei has crafted. Feel the sleek lines, the premium finish, and the engineering precision. This is design that speaks luxury and performance together. Hinge Durability Test. The magic lies here. The Hinge. Tested to withstand thousands of folds. It's smooth, strong, and built for the long run. Crease and OLED display quality. An 18-inch OLED display that folds into a compact 13-inch form. The crease? Barely noticeable. The visuals? Absolutely stunning. Interaction and multi-touch gestures. From multi-touch gestures to seamless transitions, the MateBook Fold responds like a futuristic tablet, yet performs like a pro laptop. This isn't for everyone. It's made for creators, professionals, and visionaries who need power and portability in one. Price and value discussion. But innovation comes at a cost. The MateBook Fold's price tag is eye-watering. The question is, does the future justify the price? Final thoughts. The Huawei MateBook Fold Ultimate is bold, futuristic, and a glimpse of what's coming next. The real question, are you ready to unfold the future? This is just the beginning. Hit subscribe to join Technologia, ring the bell to stay ahead in future tech, and smash that like button. Tell us in the comments which futuristic device you want us to unfold.